Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Sony. Basically these headphones haven't a lot of gestures, so you can just play and pause the song by pressing one time on your right earbud. And I'm just play a song, and if I press again I will pause the song. You can also increase and lower the volume. So to increase the volume, just press one time on your left earbud. I guess we should play a song. Just press one time on your left earbud, and as you can see, you can also double tap or triple tap. It also increase the volume. And to lower the volume, just press and hold your left earbud. And as you can see, it works. Next, if you press and hold your right earbud, you will call your assistant. I have iOS right now, so I call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And as you can see, it works. Now, if somebody call to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on your left earbud. So I'm just press and I answer the call. And to reject the call, just double press on your right earbud. 1, 2. Oh, okay, sorry. Just single press on your right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!